In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail account permanently. This walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect before you confirm anything. Keep in mind, the process you're about to follow deletes your entire Google account, not just Gmail, which means you'll lose access to Gmail and all other Google services tied to that account. Make sure you're signed into the account you intend to remove. Start by opening your web browser and going to myaccount.google.com. This is your Google account dashboard. Double-check that you're viewing the correct profile. If you manage multiple accounts, switch to the one you want to delete so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and choose Data and Privacy. This area contains the controls for how your information is handled, including options for managing, downloading, and deleting data. Take a moment to orient yourself. You'll find everything you need for account removal here. Now scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Tools. Google groups important actions here to make them easy to find. You're looking for the option that handles permanent removal of your presence on Google. Click Delete your Google account. At this point, Google may ask you to sign in again for security. That's normal and is simply a safety check to ensure only the rightful owner can proceed. After that, you'll see a summary showing the services and data associated with this account. Review this information carefully so you understand what will be lost when you continue. Before finalizing, you'll see two confirmation boxes. These are acknowledgments that you understand the consequences, including the permanent deletion of your data and any potential obligations tied to the account. Read each statement closely, then check both boxes only if you agree and are absolutely certain you want to proceed. When you're ready, click Delete Account. This is the final action that permanently removes your Google account and your Gmail address. After this, you won't be able to send or receive emails from that address, and you'll lose access to any Google services linked to it. If that email was used to sign in to other apps or websites, those logins will no longer work with the deleted address, so it's best to handle updates to those services ahead of time. That's it. You've seen exactly how to navigate to your account settings, review what's affected, confirm your choice, and permanently delete your Gmail by removing your Google account. Proceed carefully and only when you're ready.